Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Backbenchers Classroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use a VPN connection on your laptop. A VPN connection or a virtual network connection is an encrypted connection over the internet. Okay, this encryption will help you to ensure that the sensitive data is transmitted safely, and it will help to hide your identity, which is your computer IP address. So guys, here I'm not going for the depth. Let's start the video. Okay guys, now open the Google Chrome. Here guys, I'm going to set up the VPN connection on this browser. Okay, but you can use other browsers too. Now guys, here you have to open Google Chrome Web Store. So search for it by typing into the URL bar. Now open this Chrome Web Store web app by clicking on it. Now guys, search for the VPN by typing over here. Okay, as you can see guys, here are the list of VPNs. Okay, we will choose according to the user rating and views. Okay, and guys, skip this one as this one is just a website unblocker. Okay, but this is also a VPN, but we don't require it, so we will choose this one, Touch VPN. Click on it, click over here, add to the Chrome. Okay, now click add extension. Now guys, you have to wait until it is added. Okay, as you can see guys, after adding, this website get redirected, so you can skip this one by closing this tab. Okay, now go to the extension section from here and search for the same. The name is Touch VPN. Okay, here we have to search for the Touch VPN. Here is it. Just you have to click this one to pin on your over here. Okay, now click on it. Now simply click on connect button to connect the VPN. Before that, let's check out our IP address. Here you have to type find my IP or what is my IP, whatever you can write. Here is my IP address. Okay, let's connect the VPN first. Where is the VPN? Okay, let's connect it. Okay guys, my VPN is got connected and here is the speed of the VPN. Now let's check the same again. So guys, as you can see here, my IP has changed. So that's how you can hide your IP address over the internet and securely transmit your data from source to the destination. Okay, and if you want to stop this VPN, you have to click over here to stop this. Okay, now let's check my IP again. So guys, as you can see, my old IP is showing again. So that's how guys you can connect and use any kind of VPN on your browser. And if you want the same on your laptop or desktop directly, okay, then you have to purchase the VPN from that company. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.